you?
Right now, they're being nice.
Oh, this folks, welcome to Knobels. Knobels is probably one of the best places to go to for amusement rides. It's very clean. Admission is free.
Free parking.
Free parking. Food's reasonably priced and it's good. This
Park is
has to be
clean.
my favorite places to go. We are on the chairlift now.
Don't get people though. People may not want to. So get that. There's a squirrel. Look at the squirrel going up the tree.
Look at the squirrel on the branch of the tree.
There's what they use if you get stuck up here. Although I've never heard of anybody getting stuck up here.
There's always a first. Beautiful day here at Knobels, folks. Beautiful.
Partly sunny and 71.
There's a ladder to get you down if you get stuck.
The leaves are falling. Stop until you get to the top. Okay.
Yeah, we're nearing the top now, folks. At Knobels chairlift ride on a beautiful Sunday. Filming again here, folks. Beautiful Sunday at Knobels.
Oh, look.
Oh, there's our friend
Look.
at the top of the hill there. Yes. Look at him. Making a turn now, folks. We're going back down.
They
Back
might
down.
shut this ride down if it gets much wind.
Yeah, I know. Yes, they could shut it down. Use inclement weather. We're descending the mountaintop.
We're descending Mount Comfort. Chilly up here now.
The background noise is from citizens of Bartonsville, Pennsylvania. beautiful, beautiful day, folks. Getting very windy here at Knobels, but it's a beautiful day in a chairlift ride and a wonderful place to be.